Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Twitch account quickly and easily. No wasting time, let's get started! First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Twitch. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you don't run into any problems. Once it's updated, open the Twitch app. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Account. Here, you will see the option to permanently delete your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and your Twitch account will be permanently removed. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Until next time, see you soon!